Students, welcome to CLAT Tutor. I'm Karan Singh, and in your preparation for your 2026 CLAT entrance exam, there are a few things that are very important, students. Okay, for instance, I teach maths, I teach logic also, both are important sections. If I talk about maths, okay, we understand that not everybody is comfortable with maths. In fact, for many of you, after 8th standard, you have sort of mentally given up on maths. You somehow wanted to pass your 10th standard and then you have got rid of maths. Okay. And even if we give a sum, which is something, a simple kind of sum, if I say, simplify 36 by 8, how to cancel it, how to find the common factors, a lot of students struggle. I've seen this. There are some topics, typical topics, which students will struggle with. Adding fractions. If you have to add 4 by 9 plus 3 by 7, something like that, okay, or any fraction, students will struggle. Although these are basics which you have learnt not in 8th or 9th, you learnt it in 6th and 5th standard, but still. So we are not here assuming that you know so many things and to make you very perfect. That is one level of student who is already getting 90% in maths and they know 95%. We just have to do a little extra work. Our main aim is the students who are at 50% level and 60% level, at least cater to find their weaknesses, support their weaknesses, support them with that, and get them to some 80% level at least. Okay, that is our aim. That is how we work. Not to ignore students who are weak, but the weak ones are the ones whom we want to at least bring them to a normal level or above average level. And this is our aim. In maths, it's a small section. I agree. It's only 12 questions, but it's a competitive exam, and every mark or even a half a mark makes a very big difference. You all know that. Every year you see the results. I don't have to tell you. And this is what we'll be aiming at. So don't be scared of maths. Maybe it's time for you to rediscover and once again fall in love with maths. So we look forward to having you here and meeting you.